Okay, I'm going to show you how to do the upper bushing installation on the Fox 2.5 Performance Elite series. So it's a little bit different here. This is a factory boot, and there's just a washer in the top. This washer has 3 tangs. We're not going to reuse the boot, so we get rid of that. These 3 tangs do not need to be removed. Those can actually just install right over the top. You're going to see where these 3 tangs sit down in this area here, and that's going to sit in place. Then your upper bushing or bearing is going to go here. Then your factory top washer is going to go in here, and then your nut. You want to torque this down to probably no less than 130 foot-pounds. It's a 16 millimeter bolt. You can use Loctite if you like. I would just prefer that you just use the locking nut or even anti-seize. Nothing shouldn't be coming off. But it's real important you have both that upper washer and this lower washer properly installed. That holds this whole bearing together. Now there's 2 other ways. If you've had, in this case, you can see where this one, the tangs have been removed. So just put that facing that way, no big deal, even though the tangs aren't there. This just allows room for the tangs so you don't have to break them off. Or if you've got the Agile heavy duty washer, we've got additional rubber isolation up here on the top, and that's gonna come in contact like this. You're just gonna install that with the rubber insert up. Tighten that down. You're gonna have your upper washer, tighten this down to 130. It's extremely important you have both the upper and lower washers installed. If you do not have them properly installed, you will have a failure. So make sure you put those pieces in, and happy trails.